Hi there guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at setting your page colors within TruCUT RDWorks. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we're back in the program here. Now, just a quick reminder for those that are new, this is a mini-series on the page settings. And yeah, I just realized now I've only got one T here by the settings. That has been going a while, but in any case, we'll correct that just now. So then, yeah, so there'll be, I'll also leave relevant links in the description so you guys can actually follow along. Now, this is going to bug me, so let's just quickly change this. Almost at the rookie mistake of using the text tool to change text. Okay, settings, there we go. That looks about right. So now, this changing the page colors can be quite useful if you're used to another program's setup, but also you can very quickly mess up your layout look. And you can set it back relatively easy, but I will show you quickly a few examples. So now if we head here to the main menu, config, and then we go to page settings, then your setting, I'm not sure, your page setting. At the bottom here, we've got your color config. So as you can see here, we've got background, work area, and grid. Now, when I mentioned you can quickly mess it up, if you had to make this some neon color, let's just try something like this. It can be rather distracting. And then also another option which you could by accidentally do is you set the background color to something that's a bit too dark, maybe even a bit darker than that. And then I keep doing that, click the wrong OK, and then as you can see it becomes unworkable just about. So in my personal opinion, I would say keep the foreground white or light gray if you have to, but that works well. The work area, something that does work is you can make that red, and then the grid I sometimes like to make a light blue, so I'll grab this and just make it a little bit lighter. Then when you click OK, this is quite a nice setup start. So the grid is not so distracting as the gray, and also you kind of know where's your hard edge or your border of your design, so you don't go out of it. But the defaults are pretty good, so I would say if you're not sure, you can easily just leave the work area on black and the grid on a light gray. Then as you can see, this is also pretty nice and subtle. But yeah, that is it on your page colors. It is rather simple. Just a rule of thumb, watch out for any extreme contrast, or sorry, extreme saturation in your background colors, or making your value too dark. Otherwise, if we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we make a variety of different softwares, or rather should I say we make training videos for a variety of different softwares. And also you can isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.